Welcome to the Dropast channel. Are you looking to increase your profitability in the dropshipping business in 2023? We have just the information you need. Today, we're talking about 2023's most profitable dropshipping products, examples and ideas to help you succeed. Dropshipping is a great way to start a business without having to manage inventory or handle shipping. It allows you to start a business without investing in large amounts of inventory or managing a complex supply chain. And with the right products, you can increase your profit margins and make more money. So what are the most profitable dropshipping products for 2023? We've done the research and compiled a list of products that are popular with customers and offer great profit margins. One popular product is clothing and accessories. This can range from athleisure to formal wear, and customers are always looking for the latest fashion trends. You can find wholesale clothing suppliers who offer great prices and discounts, as well as low-cost shipping options. Another great product is technology. Tech products are always in demand and can be a great source of profit if you source the right products. Look for wholesale suppliers who offer great prices on laptops, tablets, and other tech items. Health and beauty products are also popular dropshipping products. You can find suppliers offering a range of health and beauty items, including makeup, skincare, and supplements. Finally, home decor items are always in demand. Customers are always looking for ways to spruce up their homes, and you can find great prices on wholesale home decor items. These are just a few of the most profitable dropshipping products for 2023. With the right products and the right suppliers, you can start making money with dropshipping in no time. But how can Dropast be helpful? Dropast can help connect merchants with Taobao and Tmall sellers, manage product search and importation, and handle fulfillment. With Dropast, you can find the best products, get the best prices, and take the hassle out of dropshipping. So if you're looking to increase your dropshipping profits in 2023, consider these profitable products and look into Dropast today. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more dropshipping tips and tricks.